Gotta love these perfect mornings. All right, things are getting a little out of hand down here. I got quite a bit of leaves on the ground down by the sawmill. I want to get those cleaned up. I want to get my wood butt right here restacked. I cut some yesterday. I got some material like this here that I can turn into stickers. And then I have a couple of 4x6s on the mill I gotta stack on the rest of the pile. Am I gonna do with this log? It is ugly. Can I get creative with this thing? Maybe cut it into some slabs. Just slab this one out. Get some nice figured wood out of it. I think that'd be the best thing to do. I'm gonna put this thing on the sawmill. Yep, it's going on a sawmill, cutting it into slabs. Probably gonna cut them 2 inches thick, 2.5 inches thick. Just rip it right up. Get some nice figure out of it, get some outdoor countertops. That's what it's gonna be good for, outdoor workbench. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go 2.5, 3 inches thick. Yep, going on the sawmill. Got a big hump on the bottom, big hump on the top. I got a crotch right there, and then the top is kind of a crotch too. Splits off right there. I think I'm gonna get my chainsaw. I'm gonna cut this piece right off. And that's the straightest part right there. And I can mill that. No need to cut this up. It doesn't even, it loops up so high. That's what I'm gonna do. Change your plans. Well, that's not red oak. That's poplar. Oh, I cut it right at 8'1". All right, I'm gonna put on a sawmill. I love this old leaf blower, but today it's having a hard time. These leaves are stubborn. It rained quite a bit the last few days and they are stuck to the ground really good. But it still gets the job done. to neaten things up a little bit down here and warm things up. Ooh-wee. All right, last day of the year. And it is wicked warm out. Nice to be able to get this outside work done. It's finally stopped raining, but we got a cold snap coming. Got some weather moving in, so I got the cover on the sawmill. Looks like I need one more bungee cord on that corner. Go grab that. But I got everything all wrapped up. Got the wood all stacked up, stickered. The leaves are cleaned up underneath. These beams will be nice. I'll let them dry like this. And I oversized the cut, so I'll be able to throw them back on the sawmill and straighten them out. If they twist or bow a little bit, I'll be able to cut that little bit off and square them up nice. Get them ready for my timber frame project. Thanks for watching.